Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to be making a bag out of some materials that are not likely to be used to make a bag. I have a pillowcase, a pillow cover that I got from the Goodwill. This had a pillow in it. I took the pillow out, just a regular throw pillow that you would put on your couch or whatever, and I took the pillow part out and I washed this. So I just want to show you, it's a standard pillow cover. It's from Nicole Miller. It has the standard zipper to put the pillow in there, and it kind of has like a rug. You can hear that. It kind of has like a rug texture underneath, but there is a layer of some kind of fabric of material covering that, and then it has the zipper part where the pillow would be inserted in. So I'm gonna make a bag out of this because I want a nice little, well, it's not little, it's gonna be a big clutch style bag that I can carry like this. Cute, right? And I'm gonna detach the zipper. It's a nice invisible zipper, and I'm going to just remove that, close this up. This opening is gonna be stitched closed, and then I'm gonna close this up like this, and I'm gonna stitch down the sides, and I'm going to add the zipper back in. So I don't know if that's going to be in that order. I'll stitch down the sides with some very thick thread, and then I'll have the zipper going across the top, and then it'll be a clutch. And then the inside will be this nice soft gray lining. So when the zipper is removed and this is closed up, it'll look pretty much like this because this flap will be sealed, and it'll be a nice little bag. A nice fun bag. This literally looks like a rug you would put in like a bathroom, and it, like I showed you, it has that very rough feel like the underside of a rug. So that means it's going to be a sturdy bag. So I'm going to make that one. I'll show you everything I'm going to do. I decided to put some pins in it to make it a little bit easier. Okay, now I can pick it up. And now I'm doing a blanket stitch. I think this is a blanket stitch where I sew through, and then once the thread is in, I go back in behind that thread insertion. I'm going to try to show it now so you can see what I'm talking about. But that's what this is going to be, what I'm doing the whole way down. The thread is here. It might be hard to see because it's gray, but this is, the thread is right here. And I'm going to go behind it for the next stitch. And then come up like that. And then where the thread is up now, I'm going to come in behind that one and then come up through somewhere in front of it. And that just makes the line a little bit thicker, gives more thread in the stitch line, So I'm going to continue that process all the way down. I'll finish the ends with by hand because I can't get the rest of this under the machine. So that's it there, and I'm going to take the sides in and sew those down. But before I do that, I think I'm going to add a little something which I was not planning on doing, but I have these wooden dowels. Now, of course, my project got to take on an extra step. I thought it was going to be quick and easy, but I wanted to sturdy these ends here so I can hold it like this without it flopping too much. So before I sew up the ends, what I'm going to do is go in here, and it would have been nice if I would have done this before I attached the zipper, but it's okay. I'm just going to open it up on the side here, and I'm going to cut this dowel down to fit in there, and then I'm going to insert the dowel, and then I'm going to sew a straight stitch right underneath where the dowel is, and then I'll close up the side. That way I'll have one dowel on each side, and that's going to act as like a handle, and it will just sturdy everything and keep it straight. Here's the dowel. It's in there. Put the dowel in there, and then I just started from this end, and I've been sewing the same kind of blanket stitch. I'm going to call it a blanket stitch. I don't know if it is or not, but the one that I showed you earlier, I did that all the way down, and I'm almost to the end here. I'm going to bring it up, and now I'm going to close up this little hole. That is all done there, and this is what it looks like.